Estimations about the results have started building up with the end of assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir and Jharkhand. If exit polls conducted by various news channels are to be believed, BJP is likely to taste the fruits of victory in Jharkhand, whereas Jammu and Kashmir may witness a hung assembly. ABP Nielsen survey has predicted 52 seats for BJP and its allies. It has given 10 seats to Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, 9 to Congress and its allies, 6 to Jharkhand Vikas Morcha and its allies, and 4 to others. The India Today's group poll with Cicero predicted 41 to 49 seats for the BJP and its allies, 15 to 19 for the JMM, 7 to 11 for the Congress and its allies, and 8 to 12 to others. In their survey, India TV C voter has given 37 to 45 seats to BJP and its allies and 15 to 23 seats to Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. It has also predicted 3 to 7 seats for Congress and its allies, 4 to 8 seats for Jharkhand Vikas Morcha, and 7 to 13 seats for others. For today's Chanakya, BJP with its allies is all set to sweep Jharkhand assembly polls with 61 seats. It has predicted 12 seats for Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, 4 for Congress and its allies, and 2 seats each for Jharkhand Vikas Morcha and others. Axis, APM, CNN, IBN has given 37 to 43 seats to BJP and its ally AJSU, 10 to 14 seats to Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, 7 to 11 to Congress and its allies. It has also given 12 to 16 seats to Jharkhand Vikas Morcha and its allies, and 4 to 8 seats to others. If exit polls are to be believed, then Jammu and Kashmir may throw up hung assembly. However, PDP is expected to emerge victorious, getting the highest number of seats out of the 87 assembly seats. ABP Nielsen has predicted 27 to 33 seats for BJP, 32 to 38 for PDP, 8 to 14 for National Conference, and 4 to 10 for Congress. It has given 2 to 8 seats to others. Axis, APM, CNN, IBN has given 16 to 22 seats to BJP. It has also given 36 to 41 seats to PDP, 9 to 13 seats for National Conference and Congress each, and 6 to 10 seats to others. India TV C voter has predicted 27 to 33 seats to BJP, 32 to 38 seats to PDP, and 8 to 14 seats to National Conference and 2 to 8 seats to others. The exit polls have created a stir in the political corridors. BJP has claimed its victory, however, opposition has asked to wait for the results.
जो एग्जिट पोल के नतीजे हैं, चाहे वो झारखंड के एग्जिट पोल के नतीजे हों, चाहे जम्मू कश्मीर के हों, हर तरफ एक आस और बेचैनी है कि एक बेहतर सरकार हो, एक अच्छी सरकार हो और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हो.
ये अनुमान लगाना इसलिए गलत होगा कि परसों तक सारे नतीजे हमारे सामने आ जाएंगे और ये पता चल जाएगा कि सच क्या है.
एग्जैक्ट पोल अभी आना बाकी है, देखा जाना चाहिए क्या स्थिति है. हमको नहीं लगता है कि कश्मीर हो या दिल्ली हो या झारखंड हो, यहाँ बीजेपी की सरकार बनेगी.
Exit polls have read out their predictions of the recently concluded assembly polls in both the states. All eyes are now at the people's mandate that will be announced on the 24th of December. Bureau Report, DD News.